What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. If you're new, obviously welcome. And welcome to this new video about waves, which I wanted to do because it was requested, but it actually was requested a couple of days ago, so I'm a little bit late. There's a heat wave in Europe, if you didn't know. It's tough, but it's manageable, but I wasn't able to work that hard because of it. So now we're back with waves. It's up 18%, which is great, but obviously the whole market is relatively bullish, at least compared to the last month. I mean, when I say that, I always have to laugh a little bit because from the beginning of the year, we're still down a lot, right? So still doesn't matter. Waves is relatively bullish. Volume got above 1 billion again, so that definitely gives us some opportunities. So let's get right into it. Yeah, it was requested, but I also like to analyze waves sometimes. I think a lot of you have actually invested in it from the community. So for now, if we take a look at waves, it's actually lagging behind quite a bit compared to other cryptos. Most cryptos are above these highs we made the 25th of June. They're like right here if you want to compare them. So with waves, it's we're struggling a little bit more. As you can see, we were down very low the 13th of June when we got that inflation rate number. From there we started our climb, but it was relatively slow compared to other cryptos. And now yesterday we touched this 6.3, 6.4 resistance level. And today I do think we're going to get that bullish breakout. Obviously this whole scenario is very based upon the assumption that the markets remain relatively stable at the very least. If the markets start crashing, obviously waves is going to crash down too. All right, so I think you all know that, but still I do want to remind you of that. For now, I expect waves to, excuse me, get a bullish breakout above 6.4, so probably going up to 7 and 6.8. Then afterwards take a break, retest, get up to 6.3, and from there it gets a little bit more difficult, because what we would want to do with waves is to also break above 7.3 and to get towards this big resistance level between $8 and 8.5. And I think that could be our local top. All right, that's a very strong level. I don't think we'll see something like this again. But again, I mean, we'll see again once we actually hit that level, or if we hit that level, because I'll probably update it. But for now, that's the main thing we want to do. So how realistic is it that after breaking above 6.4, which I do think we will do, that we can also break 7.3 while the market is still relatively bullish? Because as I said, the market is going to crash down sometime. And I'm not sure when, but it really, but whether waves is able to break above 7.3 does depend on that, but it also depends on how quickly waves can do that. Because as for now, I expect something like this down to 7.3, and that will kind of consolidate on top of 6 and 6.4. All right, so as long as we're above $6, I think something like this is still possible, but we would really need to do this like within the next 5 days at the very max, preferably earlier, because breaking above 7.3 can propel us all the way up to 8 and 8.5, which would be great. And as I said, I think that could be the local top. But if we reach 7.3 and then we drop down and we kind of lay low, something like this, then the chances of actually breaking 7.3 quickly decrease, because the risk of dropping down with the whole market also increases. So I'll probably do an update on this either in a new video, definitely in the Discord. So keep an eye out for that. Discord link is down in the description. It's all free. So yeah, but for now, that's my analysis on waves. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.